Okay, very good morning students. Today we are going to discuss new chapter number 8, Introduction to Algebra. Okay, Introduction to Algebra from book CPA page number 123. Okay, so first of all actually I have written the definitions. So just come here. Actually I have told you many times what is maths. What is math? Okay, math is basically depends on four expressions: is adding, is subtraction, is multiplications, okay, divide. Okay, these are the expressions, means adding, subtraction, multiply, divide. Okay बच्चे, in the algebraic expressions means come on these definitions. In this chapter we are going to study about the expressions. These are the expressions. We are going to study about expressions that contains not only the numbers. Suppose means not 7 multiply 9, not 7 plus 4, not 7 minus 3. Okay, not only the numbers but also the letters of English alphabets. We will solve with the expressions as well as also letters of the English alphabets, because this is algebraic equations like this: 7a plus 3, okay, x plus 4. These are the algebraic expressions. Okay बच्चे, so next is when some numbers in an expressions are replaced with the letters, such expressions are called algebraic expressions. Come on this example. Suppose this is a statement: 3 more than number x. So what are the definition of this? Expressions replaced with the letters. Such expressions are called algebraic expressions. So what is it? 3 more than a number x. 3 more means adding of number x, means x is here. More than means plus, adding. How many digits? How many numbers? 3. X plus 3. This is the statements we will convert into this term. So this is called the algebraic expressions. These are the not only numbers, both are numbers and alphabets. In the definition I have told you. And what is it? It is expressions. Okay, with alphabets and numbers. We can call it algebraic expressions. Okay, suppose we have this kind of algebraic expressions: 7b plus 8, not 6 is 7b. Okay, so b, a, b, any alphabets we will call it to variables. Any alphabets call it variables. And 8 is nothing here. It means we call it to constant. And now here 7 is the multiplication of b. B is variable but 7 is the coefficient. Okay, we will call it the coefficients of b. Okay बच्चे, so now these are some introductions. So second things, come on the question number 1. Exercise 8.1. We have a first question: write 10 algebraic expressions for each of the following statements. Just wait. Now we have a statement. Question number 1, part A: 7 more than y. Okay, 7 is constant. I have told you. Y is the variables. More than means adding. So adding is the expression, means we will write it to y plus 7. So here y is the variable, 7 is constant, and this is what is it? Is expressions. Okay बच्चे, part B, suppose part B, 5 less than x. Now less than, so means x less than means subtraction, -5. Okay बच्चे, I hope you understood what is the concept and what will be right, the methods to write the algebraic expressions. So come on the question number 2, write an algebraic expressions for each of the following statements. Question number 8, sorry, part 2, question number 8. What is statement? The product of n and 17. The product of n and 17. Actually, which expression we will use is multiplication. Means product means multiply. So n and 17 means n multiply 17. This is variable. Okay बच्चे, this is expressions and this is constants. We can write it 17n. Both things are same. Okay. And C part, second C part, 6 times n. 6 times n means we will write 6 times n means n multiply n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the meaning of 3 times n? Sorry, it is not multiply. 6 times n means n 6 times n plus n plus n plus n plus n plus n. It means 6n. Okay, बच्चे. So now question number 3. Write an algebraic equation. Write an algebraic equation expression for each of the following statement. Okay. So what is the statement? Question number 8. Question number 3 part A. The quotient when 3x is divided by 5. The quotient when 3x is divided by 5. This is the statement. 3x is divided by 5 means expressions means 3x is divided by 5. That's it. We can write it like this, 3.5 x will be here. Both things are same. Okay बच्चे, so this is the definitions. What are the algebraic expressions? In this chapter we are going to study about the expressions that contains not only the numbers but also the letters of English alphabets. Okay, not only number with letters in English alphabets, and some numbers in expressions are replaced with the letters. We have replaced with the letters. Okay बच्चे, I hope you have understood definitions of algebraic expressions and 1, 2, 3 questions. So thank you. Have a nice day.